So when we started this project, we decided to do this in 4 days and then show it the next day, which is crazy.
To see it finished and on a massive screen in front of 100 people the day after we finish filming it is like no other experience you're ever gonna get in your life. It's incredible.
I didn't know how many people were gonna be there or if people were gonna like it. And I got in there and like there were so many people everywhere and it was like really positive.
Having their first actual premiere in front of a large audience on the big screen, it is such a surreal moment.
I hope to be able to do that again because, I don't know, I felt kind of awesome.
Knowing the behind the scenes of something and then like when you watch it, it kind of takes you out of the magic of it, but it brings like a new magic in where you're like, I know what happened, and it's just super fun.
You know, when I was 6 years old, I think I told my parents, you know, I want to be an actress when I'm older, and that was always some silly dream. And then that night, seeing my face up on the screen, it just all became so real, and it was insane. And I think I stared at that picture of like you have the audience, and then it was just me and Hayden on the screen, and I started that for like 20 minutes, and then I would keep going back to it because I was just so happy that that was a real thing that happened. Like, it's not only in my head anymore.
Listening to that audience react and laugh and cry along with you is just, it's unbelievable. You can't beat it.
The goal is to be able to show as many people as possible and to share that experience, that lifetime experience with all the people that you love.